Good evening, traders. It's Simon here with your weekly review of the DXY and a couple of dollar pairs. So let's dive in straight away. So I was looking last week for a move up to 98.25 level on the DXY, and we did get that, and there was this massive explosion up and it's popped back down again. What that's really done for us is just put a higher test on this upward sloping trend line within the pattern still. So it doesn't actually confirm a bullish trend or a bearish trend at the moment. For me, it just tells me that we should get some bearishness coming to the market this week. If I was to short the dollar now, I'll be looking at a target of 97.5, as that's where daily 50 EMA. We've got this key level here as well, and we have broken back into this top zone as well. So because we've broken back into it, a move back down, as you can see, happened here in the past in May. So I reckon something like that will happen again. So let's take a look through the charts and see what we've got. So if you notice here, the Aussie has actually broken down quite a lot, made a lower low here. But if you notice here, the volume's quite a high volume there, so I would expect now some bullishness come through on this chart. However, the problem is I wouldn't actually buy it. The reason why I wouldn't buy this pair is because this bearish engulfing counter to the downside's quite strong, that is. And the other thing as well, we need to go to the monthly chart to see this where we are now at the moment, and there isn't really much I really like about this pair as much on the monthly. So for me personally, I just want to stay out until this pair actually changes its trend and does something decent. So until we can actually confirm a proper breakout of this downward sloping trend line, we're still bearish, we are. So any moves up, I'd look for a bearish move short. Let's look at euro dollar. So euro dollar did something very similar as well. It did. Euro dollar actually broke down the 1.12, the 1.11 level, which I will draw in now for you guys. There, and now we're just stationary at this level. So for me personally, it's kind of, would you want to go long now? No. You want to go short now? No, I wouldn't. So this is another pair where I don't like it so much, and I just want to leave it alone. Now the pound dollar, ironically enough, this could be a good trade here. Now the reason why that is because you're at a key level, the lows of 121 we are at the moment. There we are. Notice how this has been tested in the past many times. We got some inside bars there for me. We got RSI at 0, so it could be that we could get a nice little move up here. I'm not saying buy the pound because it's so strong. I'm just saying sell the dollar because it looks a bit weak at the moment. So you could get some small intraday trades coming from there as well, which I'd look into as well throughout the week. Kiwi dollar. Let's have a look at Kiwi dollar. Kiwi dollar's at another key level where we've actually had many a lot of support before, so I'll be looking for some deceleration now, maybe some reversal candles, just see what happens on the daily chart next couple of days to actually form, and then we could actually take a trade there. Dollar CAD's probably the best one at the moment, be quite honest, guys. You got your monthly, the daily 50 EMA. You got some nice rejection candles there. You've got a bit of deceleration on the weekly chart. So let's put the weekly chart up there for you guys. Sorry. There we are, the weekly chart, there's got a bit of deceleration as well on the weekly 50 EMA. So I'm quite happy to actually look for a trade there to the downside, and I'll probably place that on Sunday night, Monday morning. And dollar Swiss, just to let you all know, I do lose trade. This is a trade I took. It did lose. It popped up, stopped me out, and crashed down again. It's just the way it is. This is what I call the cost of the cost of trading. That's all it is, no more than that. My risk was fixed to 1%, so I'm not really bothered about the risk as such, and I can get back and fight another battle pretty much, guys. Okay, so any questions, give us a shout. If not, we'll speak to you soon, and take care.